Good morning dear students. Now today we are going to discuss determination of oxidation number of underlying element in any molecule or ion, molecular ion. First one is K2MnO4, which is potassium magnate. Potassium permangate is KMnO4. Here underlying element is Mn, manganese, right? First is determination of oxidation number of manganese in K2MnO4. Charge on single potassium is +1. Total 2 atoms are present into 2. Then put positive sign between two elements. Mn. Oxidation number is unknown. You can assume X, Y, Z. X is unknown. Oxidation number. Again between two elements. Positive sign. Number of oxygen atoms 4. Charge on single oxygen -2. And this molecule is electrically neutral. Is equal to 0. Electrical neutral means net charge is a 0. Then +2 plus X plus 4 into -2 is equal to -8 is equal to 0. Right? Or X is equal to +6. +2 -8 is equal to -6 or X is equal to +6. Right? This +6 answer is correct or not? Verify its charge. How will you verify? You can verify like this. If X is equal to 6, then +2 -8 is equal to -6. +6 -6 is equal to 0. Here what is written? Net charge is 0. Right? +6 answer is correct. Now second is dichromate ion. Determination of oxidation number of underlying element which is chromium. Cr2O7 -2. Underlying element is chromium. Here remaining charge or unneutralized charge is -2. Then right hand side write down remaining charge. X. Apply same method. Total 2 atoms are present 2. Unknown oxidation number X. Positive sign 7 oxygen. Charge on single oxygen -2 is equal to -2. Right? Or 2X -14 is equal to -2. Or 2X is equal to +12. 2X is equal to +12. Or X is equal to +6. Oxidation number of chromium in dichromate ion is +6. 2X -14, remaining charge -2. 2X is equal to +12 or X is equal to 12 on 2 is equal to 6. Again verify this charge. 2. If oxidation number of chromium is 6, then 2 into +6 is equal to +12. Right? And total negative charges -14 and remaining charges -2. Okay? +12 -14 is equal to -2 and -2 is equal to -2. This answer is also correct. Right? Apply same method. Third is carbon dioxide. Right? Charge on single oxygen is -2. Total 2 atoms are present. -2 into 2 is equal to -4. What is the charge? +2. Because carbon dioxide, this is neutral molecule. X 2 -2 neutral molecule is equal to 0. X plus 4 is equal to 0. Or X is equal to, this is minus. This is -4. Carbon is positively charged, O is more electronegative. You can verify this answer. -4 is equal to 0 or X is equal to, right? Oxidation number of carbon is 4. +4 -4 is equal to 0. Last is glucose. Glucose underlying element is carbon. This element is underlying 6 will 2 elements plus 12 hydrogen, charge of single is plus 1 plus 6, charge minus 2 is equal to 0. Total positive charge, what is first this one, plus 12 and minus 12 is equal to 0. Its oxidation number 6x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? Plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Oxidation number of carbon is. Okay, children. Now next is balancing of redox reaction in different medium, acidic medium and basic medium. First of all, identify oxidation half, then reduction half, then balancing of each half, and last is addition of balanced oxidation half and reduction half. Here reaction pattern is Fe plus 2 in aqueous medium plus Cr2 O7 minus 2. This is ionic equation, ionic redox reaction equation. Fe plus 2 gives Fe plus 3 and chromium gives chromos. One ion is oxidized and second is reduced. According to this rough pattern of reaction equation, which element is oxidized? Iron. Increase in oxidation number, and which one is reduced? Dichromate to chromos. Oxidation number of chromium is plus 6 here. Apply same method for determination of oxidation number. Right? Your oxidation number of single chromium is plus 6. Here 1 chromium plus 3. This is reduction. And plus 2 to plus 3, increase in oxidation number is always oxidation. This is oxidation, half reaction, and this is reduction, half reaction. Right? First of all, identify oxidation half and reduction half, and then balancing of each half. Right? This reaction occurs in acidic medium. This is taken from titration, redox titration. Now, first balancing of oxidation half. And oxidation half is ferrous to ferric. Ferrous to ferric. Us means plus 2, it means plus 3. According to modern concept, the tendency of any atom or ion to lose electron. Their oxidation number increases by 1, it means loss of 1 electron. And loss of electron is always written towards right hand side of the reaction equation. Right? But what is net difference? Total difference is by 6. Multiply this 6 by 2. 12, and this one for balancing of chromium by 2, then plus 3 into 2 is equal to plus 6. What is the difference? From plus 12 to plus 6. Difference in oxidation number of total chromium from reactant to product side by 6. And what is the only source of electron? Ferrous. Right? Same number of electrons are accepted in the reduction process. Then multiply this one by 6. Right? This is required figure. Difference by 6 number, multiply oxidation half by the same number. Right? After multiplying, then what is next is that 6 Fe plus 2 in aqueous medium and 6 Fe plus 3 in aqueous medium plus 6 electrons. This is balance system of oxidation half. Now second is reduction half. And reduction half is dichromate to chromos. Cr2O7 minus 2. Net gain of electron by 6, and gain of electron is always written towards left hand side, opposite of oxidation. Plus 6 electrons, you can write like this, right? And then formation of 2 chromos. Dichromate, di means 2. Dichromate ion is 2 chromos. This is lower oxidation state, suffering is us, chromous. Right? Then balancing of other atoms. Other means second atom is oxygen. And right hand side oxygen is absent. And oxygen atoms are balanced by adding water molecule in the required side. And which side is required? Right hand side. Then addition of 7 molecules of water. Water is neutral, no charge is present. Right? 7 oxygen left hand side, 7 oxygen right hand side, oxygen balanced. But here hydrogen is absent. Right? And in balance state, balance each and every atom. Balance charge also. Right? Then 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Then plus, medium is acidic. Hydrogen ions. Hydrogen is balanced in terms of ions because medium is acidic. Plus 14 H plus. Right? Now chromium 2. Oxygen 7, hydrogen 14, hydrogen 14. Balance charge also like this. Your total charge balanced. Now balance charge, total positive charge plus 6. This is negative. Total positive charge plus 14 and negative charge 6 electron minus 6 minus 2. Total negative charge is minus 8 and positive plus 14. No. 13, 14. What is remaining? Positive plus 6. And right hand side charge is 2 into plus 6. 2 into plus 3 is equal to plus 6. Now charge is balanced. This is oxidation, reduction half, balance state, and this is oxidation half, balance state. Total charge plus 12, left hand side 6 into plus 2. Yes, 6 into plus 3, plus 18 and minus 6. Total charge is balanced, plus 12 left hand side and plus 12 right hand side. This is balanced oxidation half and this is balanced reduction half. Last one is addition of balanced oxidation half and reduction oxidation half. And what is net balance equation in acidic medium? The addition of two half reactions. Balance state is C6Fe plus 2 in aqueous medium plus reactant left hand side minus 2 aqueous, and electron cancelled, 6 electron left hand side, 6 electrons right hand side, 11 is unnecessary term, right? The 6 Fe plus 3 aqueous medium plus 2 Cr plus 3 aqueous medium. 7 H2O, and here hydrogen ions left, plus 14 hydrogen ion. All ions are written in aqueous medium. Now this is balanced state. 6 Fe plus balanced. Dichromic 2 balanced. 14 hydrogen balanced. 7 oxygen balanced. Charge also balanced, right? Plus 12 minus 2 is equal to this one also 18 plus 12 then 14 minus 2 only 10 plus 14 plus 22 at this side plus 18 plus 6 24. Okay, charge also balanced. This is net balance equation. Okay children, in this way you can balance any reaction equation in acidic medium by first of all by identifying oxidation half and reduction half. Thank you.